Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can save your Facebook story with music. So let me show you how to do that. And before I show you the steps on how to save your Facebook story with music, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide and let's move on. So first, in order to add music on your story, you need to upload a story. So in order to do that, click on create story at the top right of your Facebook. Once you click on create story, you can use your photo from your gallery or you can just click one. So I will click on the photo icon at the bottom, the camera icon, and I will just click a random photo over here. Like this. Once I click a random photo, I want to add a music to it. How I can do that is click on music, which is the third effect. As you guys can see at the top right section, there's multiple options. So music is the third one. Click on it. And now over here, you can search for whichever music you want. But if you don't want to search for any, you can just click on the music which is being suggested to you. So I will just click on the music which is suggested to me. So I will choose this music called Look at You. I will click on it and it's added over here with lyrics just like this. So I have just added a music on my story. So if I want to save this story along with music, I can click on save at the bottom. And as you guys can see over here, it says save without music. You can still save your photos, but the music will be removed. So we want to save this story with the music added to it. So if we click on save at the bottom, it's going to remove the music. We don't want that. So there's a way for this. You want to click on share and wait for some time for the story to be uploaded. So the trick we are going to be using is after the story is uploaded, we are going to screen record it. Now this is the only way you guys can do it. There is no other way you guys can achieve this, alright? So after you upload your story, you need to record your screen in order to do that. So let's wait for some time now. So as you guys can see, my story has been uploaded along with the music over here. Now once the story is uploaded, just click on your story and just screen record it. As you guys can see, I'm recording my screen, but you can use any screen recorder you want. And just like this, wait for some time until the screen is recording. So I will let the story play. And once the story ends over here, what you can do is just close your screen recording. And once you close your screen recording, just go on your gallery and check the screen recording. You just saved your story along with the music. Now this is the only way you guys can do it because there's no other way Facebook allows you to save a story along with the music. So that's how you guys can do it. Hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.